Hello. Today I'm going to discuss the 4-step cure tip number 18. Social psychology. Now, this involves other people's energy. The way other people have lived and the things they've done during their life, that creates who they are today. You shouldn't let that bother you, who you are. You know that person who always complaining. You be in the grocery store and it's just this person who's had a miserable life. And you want to put that energy separate from yours. But for some reason, they just there. They just pop up on your feeds. They just pop up in your life. They're the person that's driving by you cussing and fussing. How you moving too slow? Oh, you're this and you're that. You can't allow how another person is dealing with life affect you. You have to be able to understand that they may not be able to help themselves. So you have to be the bigger person. I know that hurts. Sometimes we don't want to be the bigger person. But you never know what that person is going through. They could have just lost someone. They could just have no home training. Don't allow that to affect you. And I know that's easier said than done. But you have to know that everyone is not like you. Everyone will not look at things and take them and judge them the way you do. So you can't blame people. You just have to remove yourself from those energies. And that is my pushing point for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.